Okay, hello friends. Now new topic is new session 7, copy paste and cut paste. Okay, this is also the one feature in a word processing, copy paste. Okay, and this is a very important feature in a word processor because sometime we want to write the same text at different location, so there is no need to type again and again. In this condition we can copy the same content and we can paste at different location. Okay, so this is a very useful feature in the document. You can copy the text from the document to a different position in the same document or to a new document. Okay, the original text is not altered, right? So in that case you can copy text from the document to the different position in the same document. Okay, the same document you can copy or you can paste in any another document. Okay, the example like this, you have some content and after that if you want to copy any same content, you can paste any another where, so you can use copy and paste option. Okay, like a practical topic you can see here. Suppose that we have some content, okay, and I want to paste the same content or maybe a first line. So it's very simple. First of all, I'll select the text, okay, and after that I'll click on the home tab by default display, okay, and then click on the copy option, right? In this condition, the selected text copied into the clipboard memory of the in the computer system, and after that you can set any location. Suppose that I want this text at that location, set your cursor position and now you can click on the paste option. Now see, the text is already here, and after that the same text is at a new location, and in that after that, and if you want to paste many times, then you can do, right? So this is a copy and paste option. Now next, if we talk about cut and paste option, cut and paste, there is a similar manner but very important difference between copy and paste and cut and paste. See, in cut and paste, the original set of text gets deleted and it pastes to the another place in the document. But in copy paste, the original set of text remains where it was and it also pasted to another place in the document. Okay, so in cut paste, original set of text get deleted, okay, and it pasted to another place or in a new document. Like suppose that, see, same content or maybe I want to paste any another where. See, I have selected this text and I want to cut this, so select the text and after that you can use cut option. See, the text is deleted from this place, and after that if you want to paste at new location, set the position and now you click on the paste option. See, that text is pasted here. So this is a process of copy and paste and cut and paste. Okay, and if you want to use a shortcut key, so you can use a shortcut keys. I want to use copy, so for copy we use CTRL plus C. Okay, and for cut we use ctrl plus x, and paste we use ctrl plus b. Okay, so this is a shortcut key. Select the text and then you can use a shortcut from the keyboard. You can use a Ctrl C. Okay, suppose that I have selected and I press the shortcut key, and then you can paste Ctrl V. So this is also the process. I didn't click on that option, right? I have used the shortcut key, and suppose that I want to use DALI. So I'll select the text and I'll use shortcut key here from here, and I want to paste here. Now see the shortcut. Okay, so this is a process to you copy and paste and cut and paste through the keyboard using the shortcut key. Now come to the next topic, that is okay. Now come back to the next topic, that is find and replace text. Session 8, find and replace text. Okay, this is also a very important topic in a document, in a word processing software, because sometimes we want to find any particular word in a document, because we have a number of pages in a file, in a document, 10 pages, 100 pages, 20 pages, 50 pages. So any particular word or text we cannot find very easily. We will scroll the all page, we will search one by one. Okay, so in that case what we can do, we can find option we can use in a document. The document that have been created in a word processing are not always small paragraphs. Okay, it's very clear. If you want to make a document, so maybe in a file there is a 10, 20, 30 paragraph, maybe a number of pages a paragraph, a few sentences. Okay, so and also the mostly these documents are multiple pages. Fine. So in that case, if we want to find out any particular word in the document, so in that case we use a find and replace option. Okay, so firstly you will use a find option. It's very simple. Now you can use here. How will do? Now see the practical option. Okay, suppose that I have a one document and I have a one file. I want to copy this multiple times. Okay, and I want to paste here multiple times. So I have at least 4 pages, number of 4 pages, and I want find a particular word, like suppose that I want to find out small. Okay, so what we'll do, I'll click on the home tab, and now in the right section you can see here there is a find option. I'll click on the find button. In the editing group, the find dialog box will appear. Now in the find and replace dialog box there are 3 options. The first is a find, the second is a replace, and the third is a goto. So I want to use a find option because I want to find a particular word in a document. After that I'll click on the find word. What I want to find out in a document, a small. I'll type here is a small, and then I can click on the find next button. Now see, in our document a small word is highlighted. That means our cursor position is on find, on the small word, right? Again I want to find out the next. Now see, the next one is highlighted. Next, 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 next. Okay, so this is the process to find out any particular word, a paragraph, a line in a document. Okay, after finding all the document, now the message will appear, the word has finished searching the document, and you can click on the find. After that you can close on this. Okay, now come back to the new topic, that is replacing. Okay, replacing means it is also the very important, because sometimes I want to replace any word with a new word. Okay, so in that case we can use a find and replace option, that is the same. In that case, what we'll do, same, click on the home tab and set the location in your document, and now click on the replace button in the editing group. After that, the same dialog box, find and replace dialog box appear, and now click on the find word. That means what you want to find in your document. Suppose that I want to find small, and after that I want to replace that word with a new word. So this is a small, I want to replace with a big. Sorry, I want to replace with a big. So the new word you can find in a, you can type in a replace with text, and then you have a option replace all and find next and replace one. So what we'll do, if you want to replace only single small with new word big, you can click on the single replace. Now see, the text is highlighted. After that you can click on the replace button. Now see, that small word has been changed with a new word, that is a big. After that, if we want to change all small word with a new word, that is a big, so you can click on the replace all. Okay, now see, the word has completed its search of the document and is made of 15 replacements. That means in our document there are 15 words was small, and now we have changed with the new word, that is a big. And now you can click on the this one, and you can click on this, and now we can see in our document all the small word has been changed with a big. This one also. Now the second one is, now the next is, you can see here next one. Okay, so this is a process to find and replace any particular word or text in a document. Now we move to next topic. Before the topic, I want to tell you one more thing option. In a find replace option, there is a one option is a goto. Okay, find replace and goto. Goto, that means in a particular document I want to jump any particular particular place. Okay, suppose that my location is a first page and in a first line, and I have a total number of 4 pages. I can see all in a status bar. Now I want to go any line number 25. Okay, so in that case I'll click on the goto option and select the line number, and line number 25. So I can type it 25 and then can click on the goto. Now my cursor will jump on that line number 25. Okay, and suppose that I want to go page number 3. So I'll select here go to what page number, page, and enter the page number is a 3, and then click on the go to option. So you can see here we have a 4 pages. So my current location is a page number 3, and you can see the cursor display at the top of the page. Okay, so this is the process find and replacing and go to in a document. Now we need to move to the next session, that is session number 9, creating lists of items using bullets and numbering. Okay, bullets and numbering and using item list, and these are the very important feature in a word processing software, because when we are creating a document, so in that time after the paragraph we need to type some list, we need to type some lines in a number in a list. So in that case we need to create a list of items. Okay, so this can be neatly done by using the features described below. I'm going to tell you about how will you use a list. Okay, suppose that I mentioned here something greeting of friends number. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. But this is not a numbering. This is a list. But this list is displayed in a bullets. Okay, and also we can use same thing. We can use in a number. Number start from 1, 2, 3, or maybe a B C D. Okay, so we have two numbering methods. Using any one, we can display our item, our information in a numbered format, number list. Okay, now see, bullets means this is a like a square, circle, dot 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 like format. These are bullets format. And numbering format, that means when we want to write any list in a number format like 1, 2, 3, A, B, C, D. Okay, so this is the process to write all items in a bullets or in a numbers. How will do this thing in a practical? Now come to the practical section. Now see, this is our practical part. Okay, now again I want to write here something, or maybe I want to write my friend's name, like so my friend's name I want to write in a list. So in the list, click on the home tab and in a paragraph group. Now see here, in the paragraph group you have a first is a bullets and the second is a number. So what we'll do, I want to see the bullets. So we have a many symbols in a bullet format. Now you can choose any one. Suppose that I want to this one, right? And I want to write here like anything, selecting cells, like selecting cells. Okay, after completing your first line, and then you can click enter key. Automatically the bullet display in a next line. Next is entering numbers as text, date and time. Okay, suppose that you have done 2 bullet lists, you can click next. Then now you can see a third one. Next is again using undo and redo features, and next inserting columns and rows. Okay, and after that, if you want to finish this bullet list, then you can click enter twice. Okay, and then you can write anyone. So this is the process to create a bullet list in a document. Now the second is numbering. The second one is a numbering. Now click on the numbering option in a paragraph group, and now you have a many options, many format like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2 column like this, Roman numbers, capital ABCD, small ABCD, small ABCD, and Roman small AB numbers. So if we can use this one. Okay, so like I want to write here something also like getting started. This is the first one. Now the second is using graphics. Now the third one is a screen statement, statements. And after that you can, if you want to change the next series like in a ABCD, this one, so you can use a ABCD concept like drawing tools. Like if you want to write in this method, drawing boxes, ABCD concept, circle, statements, okay, line statement. Okay, so this is a process to create bullets and numbering list in a document. Okay, that's it.